Light gone, water gone, internet gone. But the worst damage gone after the storm. Light gone, water gone, internet gone. But the worst still a gone after the storm. After the storm. The hurricane they have we in a peril, but we still a act like crab in a barrel. Shut up, beat man, lens like a Beryl. Me can't even afford a mackerel. I know man a thief, hand them a pickpock. Blend the life, we put you in a mix up. No more FB, Instagram, TikTok. Pastor now preach him and choir girl lip lock. The hurricane, the wicked and dreadful. One thing me sure Beryl no like breadfruit. The hurricane almost the one rescue. Afraid that Jamaican she know her dead too. She left quick and run gone a caveman. Left the whole of we a live like a caveman. Candlelight at night, me sight Beryl. I'm Beryl wicked, but not like Jamaican. Light gone, water gone, internet gone. But the worst damage gone after the storm. Light gone, water gone, internet gone. But the worst still a gone after the storm. After the storm. Beryl pass and tearing up tree root out. Shift to the side, we avoid the street shootout. She and Chris did for me do so. Cover her ears cause she know we too mouth. Dogs a whistle say she very sexy, but she left with Carrie the next day. Left Jamaica but she barely escaped. She lift up high cause she nearly get raped. Me family in a mansion with food dumping. No business if me need to eat something. No long me not even see dumpling. In the darkness me I eat sauce of pumpkin. Jamaica no fi coat out to England. We too bad know how the thing can. We still have we pow machine man. So